Hello everyone, I bring you another video for financial markets. In this case, we are going to use this indicator, which have been little used, although there are many to use this. Alright, so let's go with that. So, with that guys, let's put it to the settings with this one for Ichimoku. We're gonna start with $42, 1 minute of expiration time, 15 seconds and classic candles for a time frame. Alright. That is good. Don't forget to use that. Sometimes we can use 30 seconds, but we're gonna use 15. So Ichimoku 926.52. Just copy that. The color is up to you. If you want to use the same color, you can do that. Alright. So we're gonna use blue, red, green, yellow, and purple. Oh, that's pink. Alright. And click on save. So guys, what is this about? Well, here's look like we have an entry on this one, cat. We just need to be careful. Here we're going to see this position in 1 minute, but you have to look very carefully. First, when the price falls below the red line, we need to pay attention on this one. That's telling me that there's a bearish. When you have the above the green one, it's bullish. That's clear the case. We have the crossover for these two areas with indicator to me when there's possible trend change, but it cannot enter on the downside here. Let's see this. All right, you can trace a line that is the painted view. I can see the support resistance form there. That is clear. Okay, so look at this one guys. It's quickly giving me the entry within 1 minute. All right, if you just change this, we can see that. All right, I have the crossover here. That's his with spot met to west, and we just open that. All right, that's good. So we have the trend reversal crossover on that. In this point, the price is falling in a downtrend. All right. That's very, very dangerous for us in this moment. But that's all right. Of course. That's giving the strength for the price to fall. That's its confirmation. But it's a deal situation. That's just crossover. That's the reason I just entered here. The point at this point to the upside. Ichimoku clouds give me the different entries based on the context, so we can ignore this one right now. And look at that, guys. 5 seconds remaining almost for this. Oh my gosh. Let's go. Woo, we got this baby. Oh, nah. $74, guys, of profit. That's a good one. We got our first operation. So let's increase this amount, right? Opening this again, just enjoy this one. We got excellent downtrend. Just follow the trend on this one, guys. All right, and look at this. If the price action concept, we see that there is a reaction zone here. Change that to 1 minute. Look at that. Okay, that is a good reaction zone. All right. So the price level this year is very low.
Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategies that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations. 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join. Alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys.
All right, guys. So anything down here, I might have to launch 3 or 4 minutes, depending on the volatility, the point where this is. But I entered bearish. Let's wait for this, okay? The indicator is giving it to me that's rated the point. When I reach the point on this, because I always have to look to the micro trends, so that's necessary to always change between the 15, 30, and 1 minute. And I just got again 140 seconds. That's pretty good. All right. Although it is volatile, guys, you can see the financial market pair that's a little volatile and that generates a little noise for us, and that sometimes is very, very dangerous. All right. If it does not go beyond this level, I would enter to the downside. Where is the green line? Okay. I can see that very well here, but it's 15 seconds here. It's trying to go up. Let's see that. Okay, look at this. All right, advance on this indicator. We got a crossing line on this one. Since already the resistance falling, I have to wait for the price. Give me the clear trend. And in my case, I'm going to look for another one. All right. For now, that's not so good. So let's try to change the pair. Okay, we got this one on Euro USD. That's a downtrend again. That's very similar for the previous one. We got a good downtrend crossing on this. When it turns yellow, it's usually marked in an uptrend. For me, when it's turned purple, it's marked a downtrend, and that's very strong, guys. Very, very strong. This is pretty good. All right. So don't forget to change between the 15 seconds, 1 minute. That's very important. 30 seconds, yo. All right. You can see the price is not past this low.
Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it.
Then the price will rebound. But for M1 trend, it's telling me that's a fall, man. That's very interesting, guys. That's good. That's very, very good. And look at this. We just got another one. 266. A hat-trick correction prediction. That's pretty good, guys. On based ends on this, knowing how to then find where I am. I can enter here. Here can a red reaction. All right. I have the crossover perfectly. All these points. Enter 3, 1, 2. That would be my last minute position. Would be given on this one. Wait for 3 or 4 candles to confirmation about the trends, and that's pretty good. Whether it's red or green. And to take the last entry, I do rather stay put with the price. Sometimes within a range, which makes it difficult for me to read that. You just need to create the lines. Change between the time frame. That's very important. But look, you can see that, guys. When the entries originate when to enter, of course, this average is very large. The green one, the red one, or the 2, which is one of the matters. All right, that's all for this video, guys. Raise my count for 267, and that's good. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, write in the comments your opinions, and you can leave in this on the chat. All right, see you guys. Have a good one. Bye bye.